let's have some fun with color today. I want to talk to you about this really cool color that I've been using a lot lately that can lean into 3 different directions. Let me show you what I mean. Transparent red iron oxide. It's a beautiful transparent color, and I'm going to show you how you can push it just a little bit further into 3 different directions with 3 different colors, and it just naturally goes so well. So let's slide on over and let me show you what I mean. All right, so here is my transparent red iron oxide. I'm going to use one brush for that and put it on. And it's this beautiful, like burnt red that you can see. And let me just continue a section over, and I'm going to blend in 3 different spots with 3 different colors that I have set out here so you can see. It's just really cool. All right. So let's try this first one. You can see it's kind of a reddish brown, right? So it makes it really easy to sort of go in the red, orange, and brown range. So all I'm doing is taking some orange, and you can play around with the different oranges, but look at how much richer it makes that. It just really adds a depth to it. And sometimes I even leave these streak marks I love it, of where the paint doesn't fully blend in. And I blended it now, but you know what I mean. It's really cool when you have like 2 colors that are sort of blended. Now let's take a look at the red. And this is a rich cadmium red. And it's going to change it a little more in that direction. And if I want to darken it, I just bring in a little bit more of the transparent red iron oxide. But you could see already, look at how much different that is. It's a deeper, richer red, and this is a very different shade of a burnt orange now. And let's play around with it because I love using browns. So funny because I used to hate brown, but I can push it even more so in like a dark, neutral brown and make it this really grounding color. And you can still see the transparent red iron oxide, how it mixes with each one differently, but it just gives us a whole new range of colors to use. So take a look at this. I mean, it's probably reflecting on the camera, but wow, when you do these in person, they add so much to the layers, the depth, the richness. And when you're looking for something a little different, give this a try and then just play around with all the colors. And that's how I discover all these different colors. And it's really cool when you come up with a color like this and you start to see all the possibilities that you can do with it. So give that a try in one of your paintings next time and let me know how it goes.